Hey everyone, I'm Taylor, Velour's Education and Content Manager. I'm going to show you how to get salon-grade lash extension results for several days in less than 10 minutes. Introducing Velour-Xtensions, our dermatologist-tested DIY at-home lash extensions so you can skip the salon, save time, fuss, and expense. We have the patent-pending Velour-Xtensions lash clusters in classic, hybrid, and volume styles. Each have short, medium, and long options so you can customize your look. To create a flared shape, you're going to want to use incrementally longer lash clusters. For example, long, medium, and short from outer to inner corner. To create a round shape, you should use the same length lash clusters, or short, medium, short. Our dermatologist-tested multi-day lash bond is a long-wear adhesive for application underneath your natural lashes. The patent-pending two-reel lash extension tool allows for precise application of our lash clusters. And for your convenience, we have everything together in the Velour-Xtensions kit. It comes with 12 hybrid lash clusters and a mini bond-in tool. First, begin by cleaning your natural lashes. No oils, skincare, or makeup of any kind around the eye area. We'd recommend an oil-free makeup remover like Velour Lash Clean. Once your lashes are clean and dry, you're ready to apply. Remember, application starts on the outer corner of your eye, beginning with the longest cluster in the bottom row of the kit. Before applying, I'm going to curl my lashes with Velour Lash Curler. And then we bond. With the multi-day lash bond, first apply across the top of the cluster band. And then to the underside of your natural lashes, only where the first cluster will be placed on the outer corner. Our bond is a dermatologist-tested and gentle formula, unlike any other DIY lash extension adhesive out there. Next, we apply. Once the bond has become tacky, use the lash extension tool to place the first cluster to the tacky underside of your natural lashes. Let this lash cluster set for about 30 seconds before proceeding to the next step. And finally, we fuse. Using the gold applicator tip, follow the curvature of your natural lash line to clamp down and fuse the lash cluster and your natural lashes together. Repeat these steps for the remaining two clusters, moving across the lash line from outer to inner corner. For the best Velour-Xtensions results, keep your lashes dry for 24 hours after application. These patent-pending clusters are incredibly fluffy and wispy. They look a lot more realistic and natural looking than competitive alternatives. If you're looking for less density than our hybrid lash clusters, we also have the more natural classic style. Or if you're looking for something a bit more glam, we have a volume style available. And that's it. You really can customize Velour-Xtensions and do lashes your way.